Hi students, last class I discussed about image formation by a convex mirror. Unlike concave mirror, convex mirror having only two cases. So that two cases we will learn once again. So the first case when the object is at infinity. So this is the first case. If you place an object in front of a concave mirror at infinity, convex mirror. So convex mirror always forms an image inside, which means other side of the object. So that image we known as virtual image. If object is at infinity, the position of the image at the focus behind the mirror, the size of the image is highly diminished, means point size, and the nature of image is virtual and erect. Please practice the ray diagram, which is very important in the examination point of view, and the position and nature and size characteristics of the image. So that is the first case. Coming to the second case, if the object is between pole and infinity, it means if we can take object anywhere between the pole to infinity, the image forms between pole to focus. Here you can see small image a dash b dash, which is present between pole to focus, and this image is also diminished, means small in size, and the nature of image is virtual and erect. So these are the two cases for the convex mirror image formation. Please practice. So these two ray diagrams along with image characteristics carefully. Let us discuss what are the uses of mirrors. Plane mirror we already know, so we used to see and we used to use, but concave and convex mirror both are spherical mirrors. They are having special advantages. Here we can see concave mirrors are used as reflectors in torches, headlights of car, scooters. So if you can observe, the inside the yellowish part is the concave reflecting surface in the both of the cases, in the headlight also, in the torchlight also. So that makes to reflect back light rays more. So that is the advantage of the concave mirror in the car headlights or in torches. And concave mirror also used by dentists to see the enlarged image of teeth. So you want to see the upper tooth, place a concave mirror below it, since concave mirror forms inverted image, and not only that, it forms enlarged image. We can see what are the tooth decays which are the present easily with the help of the concave mirrors. So dentists, they especially use these mirrors. Similarly, concave mirrors also used by doctors for examining ears, eyes, nose and throat, which is etc. And uses of convex mirror. Unlike concave mirror, convex mirror always forms virtual image and small in size image. So they have been used in vehicles, especially for the rear view mirrors. So in these two cases we can see convex mirror has wider view to help drivers to see the traffic behind them. So this small mirror is able to capture large area at here. So that is the advantage to know the while we are driving. So this is can be used as a rear view mirror. And also here you can see convex mirror, since it forms a diminished image. Not only that, it covers a large area, so where we can able to see the large area. So in the shopping malls or in the shops and all, so they used to place a convex mirror to see the large view. Similarly in the as a rear view mirror. So these are the spherical mirrors advantages. NCERT is given a good answer for this. So this question also very important. Please read it carefully.